Hello everyone, welcome you all in our YouTube channel Learning Radiology. So then start our today's topic. OCG means oral cholecystography. What is OCG? It is a radiographic examination of gallbladder by oral administration of contrast media. Firstly, we see the anatomy of gallbladder. Anatomy in GB is a pear-shaped, hollow, viscous organ which acts as a reservoir of bile which is situated on the inferior surface of right lobe of liver. Measurement of GB, they are 7 to 10 centimeter in length, 3 centimeter in breadth, 30 to 50 ml capacity is 30 to 50 ml, and color of GB is state blue. Images which show gallbladder or GB, like these are the GB, these are the body, and these are the fundus, and this is neck of GB. Indication of OCG. Firstly, inflammation of the organ. If GB are inflamed, then we suggest for OCG. Other abnormalities like polyps, tumors, gallstones, other one cystic duct and common bile duct, it may also be seen to demonstrate any suspected pathology in GB. Contraindication for OCG. Firstly, prior severe hepatorenal disease. Second one, acute cholecystitis, iodine sensitivity, pregnancy, dehydration, and IV choledogram within the previous week of colostomy. Images show hepatorenal syndrome. These images show acute cholecystitis. These images show iodine sensitivity. These images show pregnancy, and other one, these images show dehydration. The contrast medium which used in OCG. First one, biloptin, Telepac, Colabrin, Solobliptin. Preparation of patient. Patient preparation. Firstly, we take patient history, changing the patient gown, patient dress on or provide gown, take written or oral consent form. Other one, prone 20-degree LO preliminary film is taken when appointed in med. Give laxative 2 days prior to the examination. A fat containing evening meal on evening prior to the examination. Contrast media is taken with water 24 hours prior to patient appointment. Food is forbidden until the examination is completed. Films in OCG. There are four films. Firstly, prone 20-degree LO. Second, supine 20-degree RPO. Third, 20-degree erect LO. Fourth, fatty meal provided in prone 20-degree LO 30 minutes after fatty meal. Procedure or technique. Give 6 tablets of Telepac or Solobliptin orally night before the examination. And other one, next, patient in prone oblique view with right side raised to 20-degree is taken after the 12 to 16 hours of GB visualization. When we take preliminary film, or in case, or say after the preliminary film is taken, patient usually lie in supine position and appropriate spot film of GB are taken. Ask patient for fatty meal. After 30 to 40 minutes, film taken to assess the contractibility of GB and small filling defects. Next, cystic and common bile duct also visualized in post fatty meal films. If GB not visualized, in case of GB not visualized after fatty meal, then double dose OCG may have to be performed where the patient takes in all 12 tablets of contrast media, 6 tablets being taken on each of 2 nights prior to the examination. There are some complications of OCG like mild gastrointestinal disturbances, skin reactions, urocosuric action, impaired renal function, pseudoalbuminuria, abnormal thyroid function test, increased effect of protein bound drugs because of shared binding with albumin. Thank you. Comment on this video, like the video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.